The SD2 membrane is used internally on the warm side of the insulation. Its function is the prevention of unplanned air movement within the building envelope and controlling the movement of vapour within the building fabric. The benefits are quick and easy application, CE certified to EN 13948, airtight with extra vapour control, graphics to support the installer, increase the homeowner's comfort levels, prevents degradation of the surrounding building fabric. The SD2 control membrane is applied perpendicular to the direction of the roof trusses. The product should always be on the warm side of the insulation with the graphics always facing towards the installer. The installer should commence installation on one side of the room by fixing the membrane, for example, to the wall plate. Care should be taken to ensure the membrane extends down the wall overlapping the wall plate and allows space for the sealant to bond the membrane to the blockwork. Gerband 970 double-sided tape is ideal for fixing the membrane to the timber. Alternatively, staples every 15 mm. When you are happy with the fixing of the membrane, firmly apply the membrane to the double-side tape with a cloth or a roller. Trim back the membrane, allowing 75 mm overlap onto the wall. Ensure the membrane fully enters the corners. The remaining membrane should now be applied. Staples are an alternate means of fixing the membrane. Ensure the membrane to pull tight and without creases. Use the membrane graphics to facilitate the application. Special care should be taken with surfaces penetrating the membrane. Gerband 586 or a suitable grommet should be used for penetrations. Ensure there is a 100 mm overlap of the membranes. The joint tape should be pressed to ensure correct adhesion. The membrane and tape should also be left free of loads. For example, insulation. Ensure the corner overlaps are fully sealed. Fortax 6400 is used to bond the membrane to the wall. Apply a 6 mm bead onto the wall. This is an example of where the membrane is covering the wall plate. The installer should ensure the membrane fully enters the corner. Here, a HRV duct is being sealed by an appropriately sized grommet. If you are applying an insulated slab to the wall, we recommend a smooth trowel finish onto the blockwork to form an airtight layer. If the wall is a hard wall finish or similar, we recommend a mesh is applied over the membrane and care is taken not to damage the membrane while plastering.